Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix brightness not changing on Windows 11. Now first up, what you'd want to try is to restart your computer, because sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. This includes brightness control problems. Next, try checking your power settings. So just ensure if you're using a laptop that if it's plugged in, and some power settings might reduce brightness to save battery. Next, you can also use different methods to adjust brightness, such as keyboard shortcuts. So if you have a bunch of keyboard shortcuts accessible from you, for example, some laptops have dedicated brightness keys, usually on the function keys, then you can make use of those. Also, under settings, you can check system and then display and then use the brightness slider. Next, you can also try updating display drivers. So open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and select it, and then expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Next, you can also try disabling auto brightness. So head to Settings, System, and then Display, and then scroll down and click on Brightness and Color. Turn off the Change Brightness Automatically when lighting changes option. Next, try running a system file checker. So just open Command Prompt as an administrator and then type sfc /scan now and press enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. Now lastly, make sure your system is up to date by heading to Settings, Windows Update, and then checking for updates. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.